Assessing performance of learners can be difficult. These difficulties are multiplied when there are tens of thousands of learners taking the same assessment. Analysing this type of data is made all the easier by our large group report, a premium report in the Learnosity Reports API. What makes this report unique among our 21 out-of-the-box reports is that it can handle a huge amount of learners and their data, up to 200,000 learners in a cohort. This report is as useful to administrators as it is to instructors. Let me show you why. Here you can see the report is split into 3 districts. An administrator would be able to quickly see learning trends across these districts before drilling into specific class results. We've built the report to calculate and show the min and max scores on assessments, as well as the median. Our UI also shows the 25th and 75th percentile, so you can get insights at a glance. A popular feature of this report is its capability to drill down one step further to the level of individual learners. This enables instructors to instantly spot learners that are outperforming their fellow learners, as well as those that need more assistance. With these powerful capabilities, educators can generate the actionable insights they need to boost learning outcomes. If you've got any questions about our large group report or any of our 21 out-of-the-box reports, you can email marketing@learnosity.com for more details. Thanks for watching.